With the Webchat widget, you have the perfect entry point for a conversation with customers on your website. Not only can you immediately provide helpful information with the AI chatbot reducing drop-off rates, but you can also transfer the conversation to WhatsApp, getting as close to your customers as possible. The widget offers you great advantages and is also super quick to create and customize to perfectly match your brand's appearance. You can embed your logo, adjust the colors, and of course, customize the copy. This makes it seamlessly integrate into your website and feel very natural for your customers. And the most important thing, the WebChat is compatible with all common platforms, whether it's Webflow, WordPress, Shopware, or any other, or even custom built and hosted. Simply copy the code and implement it with only 2 clicks.